Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete app limit restriction on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, we go down and tap on App Limits. Then in here, to delete or remove an app limit, you can swipe across like that, and then tap on Delete, and then tap on Delete Limit. And continue to delete any other limit, any other app limit that you want to remove. So here, I'm going to swipe across to delete this limit on social media app, as well as the games app. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.